Car Story research indicates this vehicle as being a great deal that is hard to find at this price, low miles, and a rare model. You are going to love the 2014 500. The Fiat 500 offers exciting models infused with style, technology, and convenience features to make life on the go more personalized and comforting. And with so many original ways to personalize every Fiat 500, your individuality will be recognized wherever you go and is priced below $10,000. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: keyless entry, stability control, traction control, steering wheel audio controls, anti-lock braking system, Bluetooth, driver airbag, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, cruise control. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.